Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and we're doing an episode of Cooking with Korey. So I know it's been a while since we've done a Cooking with Korey, so I wanted to get out here and I wanted to show you guys my version of venison cheeseburgers. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe below. But here's how I cook the best venison burger. Today what we did is we made venison Juicy Lucy's. You go out to Minnesota, there's a place called Juicy Lucy's. They put cheese inside the burgers on 2 patties and they smack it together and it's delicious. You bite into a cheesy, gooey mess of a burger and it's great. You can throw eggs on it, you can throw different condiments on it, you can do it how you like. So how I did it today is I took a little spicy brown mustard and a little mayo and I put it on the bottom bun here, and I'll put some on the top bun as well. And then I spread it around on the bun, and then I'll throw a little mustard on there as well, and just take my Juicy Lucy and smack it together. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, especially if you like these Cooking with Korey videos. It means a lot to me, so please do, again, like, comment, and subscribe below, and I'll see you next time.